So hi, I'm Joe. I'm the technical director of Dustcone Hopper Systems. So our company manufactures dust suppression hoppers for bulk loading, um, targeted at clients like flour mill, wheat mill, also fertilizer plants and mining industries. So
Alright. So first question, what do you got from this weekend that is beneficial to your brand?
Okay. So initially, I actually got invited to this bootcamp via prize draw from the E3 events. I don't know what to expect from this bootcamp. So, but I came with an open mind, hope to learn something new. So, um, I spent 2 days with this bootcamp, and I realized that at every opportunity, there's always something new to learn. In this instance, these 2 days, I've learned like some new angles that I can explore on the brands and also the branding identities. There are some angles that I miss, and with and through this workshop, I get to see some interesting new ideas and new angles that I could explore, which I couldn't think of in the past. Yeah.
Alright, next question would be, what is one thing that you would be applying for your brand moving forward?
Okay, the things that I will apply is that I'll be using a lot of prompts, especially for brandings, objectives, things that I've learned from this workshop. To use a very specific prompts. To get the business development side of things, advice from AIs. Because as a technical director, my core function is mostly focused on the technical side of things. But as far as business development is concerned, we don't really look into it so much. And through this workshop, I've learned that we can actually use AI and AI prompts to enhance our understanding on business development, as well as new ways of identify ourselves more effectively and perhaps make ourselves even better than we can. Yeah.
Alright. So last question, do you suggest other startups to take up the class?
Oh, for sure, for sure. I mean, if you are a new startup or even if you are established companies, couple of years old, I strongly recommend that you attend this workshop. Mainly because you never know what are the new things you could learn, and this workshop is very creative. I think the teams have spent a great amount of effort to cover a wide range of industries, and also different kind of entrepreneurs. So I would say that the value is really there. Just have to come with open mind and try to understand what the workshop is for and apply whatever strategies that they are available. Bring it home, try to make it better. Just make the best use of the time here and also the new things that you learn. Yeah.
Alright, that's it. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.